guys, how you doing? And thanks for watching. Today I decided to make a little tutorial video on how to hit the speed bag here. First of all, make sure that there's plenty of air in the speed bag, that it's kind of hard. When you grab it, it doesn't collapse on itself, and you just inflate this, which is just a simple bicycle or ball tire. I opted for the better one that's a little that's made of aluminum, right? So it lasts a little longer. There's an air inlet valve right there. Just plug it in, give it a few pumps, and make sure it's hard, right? There are different sizes of speed bags. I wouldn't recommend starting off with a smaller speed bag because it's a lot faster. I'd recommend starting off with something like this that's a lot longer. It'll be easier to start off with. I'm not using this one because the bladder inside broke. These have bladders inside. So once we have the air in there, make sure it's nice and firm. Make sure to wrap your hands. Right? I'm not going to go over that right now. There's a million tutorials on how to wrap hands, and everybody swears that their method is the best. I will recommend you get when you do get hand wraps, that they're the 180-inch hand wrap with the elastic in it, right? Not straight cotton, but that have some kind of elasticity in them. So when we start off with the speed bag, our hands are always going to be up, right? Rule number 1 of boxing, always keep your hands up. Rule number 2 of boxing, always keep your hands up. Speed bag works on your hand-eye coordination, your target recognition, cardio. It increases your shoulder endurance, your bicep endurance, and your trap endurance. Speed bag is the size of a head, so it gets us used to hitting a small target, right? A lot of people think that you hit it in one continuous motion like that. Later on, when you get good at it, yes, you can do it like that, but it's not necessarily how it's done. If you look at the swivel of here, it's pointing in this direction here. I want it pointing towards me, so the swivel comes in this direction towards me and away from me, right? So when we hit the speed bag, both hands are up. As soon as you hit it once, you bring your hand right back to the starting position. You hit the speed bag, it comes up, it's the rear of the platform, it's the front of the platform. 2, it's the rear of the platform. When it comes midline, that's when you hit it again. 1, 2, 3. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, hit it. 1, 2, 3, hit it, right? So in real time, it'll look something like this, right? Get your swivel so it's pointing towards you, right? Nice and easy, right? Slow as fast. It's all about timing, all about timing. Eventually, you'll get good enough to where you don't even have to look at the speed bag. I know where it's going to be. I don't even have to look at it, right? So we just hit it, get faster, 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 until you perfect it with one hand. Once you get fast and flawless with one hand, then you move over to the other hand, right? Make sure your swivel is pointing in the direction of travel that the speed bag is going, right? So start it off nice and slow. Go faster. Just like that, right? So then eventually we're going to start it off with both hands, right? We've mastered one hand each. Now we're going to do it alternating one hit, one hand, another hit, the other hand. So if you look at it, it's a circular motion. If you look at it from the side, my hands are always up, shoulders always up, right? So eventually you'll get fast enough to where you can use both hands. Great way to stay in shape. Like I said, works on your cardio. Start off with 3-minute rounds. So you work for 3 minutes, rest for 1 minute, and start off with like 3 rounds, something nice and easy. Eventually work your way up to doing 5 3-minute rounds. Really get the stamina going in your upper body, right? In your shoulders, your biceps, and your tris. Work on your hand-eye coordination. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget the like button and subscribe down below. And if you have any comments, I'm always welcome to hear them. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.